Sun roasting its investors. Review of Sun TV, a company that started its operations in 1993 on April 14th. India's largest media conglomerate run by a business house which is politically very much connected, owns 33 power packed channels and has worldwide popularity. This for a great media channel. Let's look at how its stock has been doing. Coming to rankings, price rank is at 49.1. Nearly 50% of companies are better than Sun TV on what the stock has given as gains to its investors in the last 12 months. Coming to earnings rank is 53.2. That is about 47% of companies on the list of 740 that is being tracked today are good or better than Sun TV in the market. They are giving more better profits than Sun TV. Coming to the chart of price rank, Sun TV price rank was at 51.36 months back in July. It has been going up and down and finally landed January first week with 49.1 on the price rank. So ranking has gone nowhere. So that's why this image here, this guy watching TV, he slept on the table itself. Don't know if the channel is boring or the stock is boring to its investors. Obviously, stock is consistently been boring for the investors. Maybe channel is good. Coming to the EBITDA growth, quarterly EBITDA growth, Sun TV was positive 2 years back. It had about 15.5% growth on its EBITDA on quarterly, which moved up close to 40%, and then again after that it went into a slide, goes negative during early 2020, and towards September 2020 it has recovered back, gone to positive. This recovery between June to September was steep, so that is already started playing up in the stock as we are talking. Coming to TTM EBITDA, which was a 28.1% growth, that is if the company made 100 rupees profit in the September 17 12-month periods, in September 18 12 month it made 128 rupees profit. After that it took a slide, went to negative close to 20%, and during September result also the TTM growth is minus 14%. That means company has been losing somewhere. It's what is showing up on the numbers. Coming to peer group comparison, the price rank leader in the sector is TV18, which is at 73.8. Sun TV is in the middle. Lowest is Zee Telefilms, ZTV. On the earnings rank, Sun TV leads with 53.2. If 53.2 is the leader, so that means media as a sector is not doing well. This is what this comparison shows. And it is actually true. Media index has been the worst and confused indexed as of now in the market. During this video, as we are recording, these media stocks have started showing some signs of strength. Looks like they are getting back into a journey, new journey probably. Coming to business growth, 2017 it was at 10% growth on sales and profits. Margins have been always good and been retained, while sales and profits have taken a deep dive down. That's why this image we have put, this investor is lost, don't know what to do. What is this? How much ever effort this company is putting to add more margins, still sales is not coming and business is not coming. Even with whatever sales they are doing, business profit is also declining in spite of margin going up. This is all clueless. Coming to investors, this one beautiful image we have put here, it's a boy who shows smartness. Who was smart here? Domestic institutional investors and mutual funds sold Sun TV about a year back, and that was a beautiful decision they made. So they stayed away from all the negative returns the stock has generated. That was a fantastic move which our institutional investors and mutual funds did in the stock. Otherwise, retail investors have lost. FIIs have taken a very, very big hit. Sometimes good things also can change to bad. So that's what is showing up here. FIIs have lost in Sun TV. Coming to the charts, on the left side we have the monthly chart which started turning down in early 2018, about 3 years, the stock has been consistently underperforming. While as it is going down and down, bears were slowly vacating the field. During mid 2019, bear pressure was little lesser, while at that place also bulls did not take over. During COVID times, when the stock hit another low, again there was even lesser bears on the stock. Yet bulls took a lot of time to gain strength. About 8 to 9 months they have taken to recoup their strength. There is we have put a yellow patch on the chart which shows that this stock has had a breakout, and if January closes above 500 for Sun TV, it will become a long term buy. This is something very unique which is there. Somebody who is looking for long term investment in Sun TV can look at buying if the stock closes above 500 in the month of January. Coming to weekly, it has been hitting the lows consistently, scraping the floor, we can say. It's trying to come up, failing and going down. That's what was the story behind couple of months back. Now it's had a breakout, and that breakout stayed for some time in consolidation, and then it's now going up. As we speak, this stock has gained momentum. It's closed on overbought levels. For any resistance, it's quite far away, so there is good space to cover for Sun TV from here. Coming to the numbers, a 19,100 crore market cap company which is having only 16 P in the market, where the sector is having nearly double P at 29. 21 analysts are tracking this stock, and out of them 15 analysts are giving buy signals. That is nearly, again, about 60% of analysts are saying to buy the stock. So with that kind of optimism, where the stock can land in the coming months, we can expect to reach 650 and further up to 765 on Sun TV in the coming months. Performance against NSE 500, obviously we have already talked about underperformance. In the last 1 year, when NSE 500 gave 16.7% return, Sun TV gave only 8.8, half of it. Exactly half of it. That's the beauty here. And in the last 3 months, it went on into a even poor performance. NSE 500 gives 23.3, NSE 500, Sensex, Sun TV gives only 2.6%, very, very low, only 10% of what NSE 500 did in the last 3 months. While when we see the 1 month return, both are equal, 7.5%. That shows the recent strength the stock has been gaining, while its history is not so good. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. There is momentum building up in Sun TV. Do your due diligence, get to know the risk, get comfortable with that, and then go ahead and buy. Thank you.